Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Irada and today I would like to share with you my recipe for one-pot roast chicken with potatoes. I love this recipe because it's so easy to make and it's such a comforting meal, especially during this time of the year. The exact measurements for the ingredients will be listed in the description box below, so let's head to the kitchen. I'm using chicken drumsticks for this recipe, but you can also use chicken thighs if you'd like. First, I'm going to season both sides of chicken with salt and pepper. Next, I'm going to add the oil to my large roasting pan. Make sure that the pan you are using can go from the stove top to the oven. So now we're gonna sear our chicken on both sides until it develops some color. Next, we're going to add the sliced onions and we're going to cook the onion until it starts to soften. Okay, so now I'm going to add white wine and I'm going to allow it to reduce for a couple of minutes before adding the potatoes. So now I'm going to add my cut up potatoes. Just scatter them around. I'm going to add some dried rosemary along with some more salt. Now I'm going to cover this and I'm going to pop it in the oven, which was preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna let it roast for about 1 hour or until the chicken and the potatoes are fully cooked through. Okay guys, so here it is from the oven, my one-pot roast chicken with potatoes. It smells amazing here and it tastes delicious. If you make this recipe, please let me know how it comes out. I hope you enjoyed spending time with me. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching again and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.